Hello everybody. So today I'm going to teach you how to use the abandoned cart in BigCommerce. So first things first, you have to use the abandoned cart saver. Your store must be on a plus plan or higher. To manage abandoned cart notification settings, you must have the manage settings and manage abandoned cart settings permissions enabled on your user account. To create, edit, and delete abandoned cart emails, you must have the read channels and manage abandoned cart notifications permissions enabled. So, for the abandoned cart's notification settings, you need to tick the boxes and you can choose if you want them to email you, if how many carts are abandoned. Thanks for watching.